we have to subtract algebraic fractions. How we do this? First, we need to have the same denominator. So, we have 4 plus c and c minus 2. The terms are different. So, to get the same denominator, we just multiply 4 plus c times c minus 2. So, let me copy first this fractions. Minus 3c over c minus 2. Like I said, the denominator will be 4 plus c times c minus 2. So now if I multiply this denominator by c minus 2, I have to, let me do this, c minus 2, I have to do the same with the numerator. I have to multiply by c minus 2. We cannot multiply only the denominator. If I multiply the denominator, I have to do the same with the numerator. And this denominator I multiply by 4 plus c. So 3c I have to multiply by 4 plus c. So now the denominator we have, and we have to do multiplication in the numerators. So c times c will be c squared, c times negative 2 is negative 2c, and the same here. We have to copy negative sign. First I will put 4 plus c because we have here 4 plus c and c minus 2. When we have multiplication, it doesn't matter if we multiply 2 times 3 or 3 times 2, is still the same. So we can change the order of terms, and now we have 3c times 4 is 12c, 3c times c is 3c squared. Now when we have the same denominators, we copy the denominator and we have to subtract numerators. C squared minus 2c minus, because minus is before this whole expression, so we need to put this in parentheses because we have to change the sign. The numerator we have to copy. And we have c squared minus 2c, and here is like invisible 1. Negative 1 times 12c is negative 12c. Negative 1 times 3c squared is negative 3c squared. Now we have to combine the like terms. So the denominator we copy. C squared and negative 3 square c squared, so it will be negative 2c squared. Negative 2, negative 12, so this is negative 14c. So what we can do here, we can factorize negative 2c in the numerator. So in parentheses will be c minus 7, when I, of course, plus because I factorize negative sign. Negative 2c times c is negative 2c squared, and negative 2c times 7 is negative 14c. So everything is the same. And the numerator we have to copy. And we see that in the parentheses we have different terms. This is my solution.